everybody, welcome back to my channel. And hi, if you're new, I'm Melissa and I make fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos here on this channel. And today we are going to be making 3 healthy and delicious coffee recipes. So I have PCOS, like many of you know, and I can't really enjoy the classic fall drinks that Starbucks sells or Dunkin' sells. It's just way too much sugar for me. So I like to create my own recipe so I can join in on all the fun, but have a recipe that is a little bit more PCOS friendly, so I am feeling my best. So today we're going to be doing a salted caramel cold brew delish, a pumpkin spice latte, and a cookie butter cold brew. So all 3 of these drinks are going to be iced. None of them are going to be hot. So if that sounds good to you, then enjoy the video. So for the salted caramel cold brew, the first thing I do is just pour my ice in. I like very light ice, so I'm only going to be doing a little bit in here. And then I got this cold brew from Chameleon. This is the vanilla cold brew concentrate. La Colombe makes a really good cold brew, but you can use whatever you want. And this one has 0 sugar, so it's really good. I fill it about 3/4 of the way. And then I add in my toasted marshmallow creamer. This is so good and it adds some depth to the caramel flavoring. I just pour in a good couple tablespoons of that, and I'll put all of the recipes down below and the products that I'm using. But then I like to take my Pure Made Torani syrups. Now these are made with erythritol and stevia, so I like the sweeteners that they use for this one, and I think the flavors are amazing. So I'm gonna add 4 pumps of my caramel. Super, super delicious. And then I like to top it with this non-dairy almond milk Ready Whip. I think it's really, really good. Oh shit. Okay, so I accidentally froze my Ready Whip, so this is going to be a very sorry looking swirl on top of here. Definitely don't freeze yours. That's cute, I guess. And then I do a little sprinkle of Maldon sea salt because this is a salted caramel drink after all. So, so good. So this next drink that I love to make is my version of a pumpkin pie spice latte. So again, I start with my ice. And then this time I'm going to be using the espresso cold brew rather than just the regular cold brew. I think this gives you more of the latte flavor. And it's really, really nice. And so for my syrups, I like to do 3 pumps of pumpkin spice and then 1 pump of vanilla. I think the vanilla really gives it that like creamy pumpkin pie flavor as opposed to just straight spice. And then I go in with another nut pods. This is the pumpkin spice nut pods. I will link all of this down below because they are so, so good. So I just poured this one on top. And then normally I would put on a teeny little bit of some sort of whipped cream, but this almond one is giving me problems. Yeah, we're not gonna be able to get any out of there today. I don't know what's going on, but I do have pumpkin pie spice, so I will put a little sprinkle of that on top, just for some color and a little bit more flavor. But this is so, so good. Okay, so for my last coffee, it is my cookie butter cold brew. This recipe is also absolutely delicious. So like always, we start with our ice. And then I'm back to using the cold brew concentrate. It's really good for this, and this one is in the vanilla flavor again. So for this coffee, because it's cookie butter, I like to do both hazelnut and vanilla to kind of emulate those like cookie flavors. So I'll do 2 of each. And then I have my cookie butter creamer from Nut Pods. They really do make really good coffee creamers. And for this one, I just top it with a little bit of cinnamon, just so you have like a little sprinkle on top. And cookie butter does have cinnamon in it, so this is so good. If any of you were wondering, this is my coffee setup, by the way. So it's right next to the fridge, and ignore my little fruit thing, but this is my Nespresso for when I make hot coffees, which is kind of rare now because I keep all my cold brews in the fridge. And then I have this stand that I got off Amazon, and all of these syrups, which you've seen in this video, except you didn't see coconut or chocolate, but you saw all the other ones. And then up here, it's kind of hectic, I know, but it's where I keep all of my coffee supplies, I guess you could say. So I have the Java sock in the back for when I'm getting coffee out. And then I actually mentioned this in a video not too long ago, my Glossy Box video, where I got these hot cocos. I have the coffee mix, which I actually love. So there it is. I have a coffee grinder in the back, and then here's all of my coffee creamers I store in here. And this was the stevia that I used before I switched to these syrups. I use these for on the go if I want to get coffee out and I don't know if the place has stevia. I'll use this. And then over here is just like my supplements for PCOS, my SMU, a greens powder. You don't need a greens powder. You can just get your greens from your vegetables and your fruits. However, sometimes that's lacking in my diet because it's very hard for me to get in all the servings. So I have that for that. And then I have krill oil for omegas. Again, you don't need a supplement, but I don't eat enough omegas in my diet because I don't like fish at all. So I have this. There's some more PCOS supplements in the back. This is for my Nespresso. And yeah, so there's my whole coffee setup. Oh, and then here's my Nespresso pods I keep in there. And then I think back there is literally more cold brew and then some instant cold brew that I use in recipes. So all of this is the coffee setup. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you want me to do more recipe videos in the future, please let me know. I develop these all on my own, and I keep developing other recipes on the side just because it's fun for me. So let me know if you want me to show you more of those in the future. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.